today we're starting off with the P. Louise base for Lucy's eyes. With the base, we just put it on with a flat brush and spread it out. You can pat it with your finger or another brush to make sure that the product is properly set in. I'm going to be using the Huda palette today, and I'm using the suede shade. I'm just going to press it in with a fluffy brush all on the lid, just making the colour really dark and then blending it out and up once most of the product is stuck to that bottom bit of the lid, and just softly blending it up toward the eyebrow. A little bit of a singing break. Now I'm just pressing the MAC Studio Fix fluid. I mix the NC40 and the N15 together. Sorry, I was just telling Lucy to look up. She's looking down at her phone. Miss Popular. Yeah, so I just press it in with the sponge, and I also put it on Lucy's ears as well because she wears her hair up for this look today. Putting it on the ears just ensures that everything blends seamlessly, especially if their hair's up. Okay, Contour Cosmetics. So I'm just using the lighter shade under the eye, and I'm going to do a huge V. I wanted Lucy's face to be super snatched for her birthday, so I'm doing a really full-on contour for her, so she gets a lot of lift under that cheek area, in the middle of the brow and down the bridge of the nose, so that front bit of the nose. And I'm just also pressing that in with a beauty blender. Pressing it in, make sure there's no lines from the brush, which makes it a lot more smooth. I wonder what we're talking about. Seems interesting. Now using a fluffy brush and the Contour Cosmetics medium shade in that palette, and just blending that. Lucy's quite fair, so she does need a bit of a lighter colour than I usually use. And I'm blending it back up into her ear. You'll see on this side that I need to obviously buff the ear out. It's a bit dark, but making sure it kind of blends back into there, especially because she's got her hair up. You don't want it to just stop before the ear, and then it looks funny when her hair's up. And even blending foundation back into the hairline. Now this is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills Butterscotch highlight. Kind of go up in a C shape, so it goes on the high point of the cheek and up around the brow, just so when you get photos from the side, it pops out that whole area. I'm just using another brush to support under the eye, just so I don't get a lot of fallout, and then I use it to fluff the fallout away. This is the Huda Beauty Bombshell Liquid Lip, and that's the final look for Lucy's birthday. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.